Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We have a special one for you today. This is a brand new 2021 GLE 53. Feel the pops. Sounds. This right here is a 2021 AMG GLE 53 Coupe, all new model GLE 53 Coupe. Standard features: performance and handling features the AMG enhanced 3-liter inline 6 turbo engine with EQ boost, producing 429 horsepower with 384 pound-feet of torque. This magnificent GLE 53 Coupe has the AMG Speed Shift TCT 9-speed automatic transmission, and also has the AMG Ride Control with suspension based on Air-Matic. Also has the AMG Performance for Matic all-wheel drive with the AMG Dynamic Select system. In terms of the key, this is the key on the GLE 53. Black, close, open, trunk, and your panic button. Let's start from the rear and take a look at the GLE 53 Coupe. You have AMG inscription on the left, GLE 53 on the right hand side. Also has the AMG Performance exhaust system, black tailpipes. Now you have two functional tailpipes with the AMG branding right here, and also a gorgeous rear diffuser. You have a class 2 trailer hitch right here. Also have a bunch of sensors on the rear for your driver assisted packages. Because of the AMG Night package, you have high gloss black element on top of the rear diffuser here. Love the rear of this car. Standing back, you can see you have the wheel arches on the GLE 53. I think they look very aggressive. Gives you a more off-road look on this GLE 53. You have chrome door handles on either side. Also, you have these side running boards. Gorgeous rims. These are all new. Size on these tires is 315/40 R21. These are not your usual wheels. These are very large wheels as well. You can see these are 21-inch. Now the rear brakes are not perforated. You have silver brake calipers, and you have the AMG inscription right here on the rim. Sitting on Continental tires. Front as well, you have the same 21-inch rims, silver brake calipers, Turbo4Matic Plus inscription on the right hand side. The AMG Night package offers you the high gloss black elements, which feature right here around the windows. Now let's check out the front. Let me know what you guys think. Very aggressive AMG twin power domes. The power domes are these raisings on the hood right here. They give it a very aggressive look. The all-new AMG specific grille with the active distance distronic systems going underneath the very large Mercedes emblem. It's actually larger than my hand. Also has the vertical chrome slats on the AMG specific grille. You have a front-facing camera right here. And also you have your AMG badging on the right-hand side. Now because it's a performance AMG model, you have a very large front with the A-shaped front splitter, functional air inlets down here, and you can see the groove on the side of the car right here because of that aggressive nature of the front splitter. All new headlamps. You have two eyebrows And these are multi-beam LED lights with high beam assist as well as adaptive headlamps. These are daytime running lights on the GLE 53. Coming to this other side, you can really appreciate the look on this side profile. Now let's take a look at the interior real quick. Carbon fiber driver, memory seating, heated, cooled, ventilated seats, handles as well. AMG Performance steering wheel, leather seats. You also have these sport pedals down here. Your light controls are over here. This car has ambient lighting. You can take a look at the lighting right here. You also have paddle shifters, downshift, upshift right here. Gorgeous center display as well as an instrument cluster. Check out the rear seating. You can sit 3 adults here in the back very comfortably. All leather with the gray contrast stitching. Cup holders in the back here. Let's look at the perspective. You have the AMG Performance steering wheel with the spot knob right here. If you want to switch to manual mode, you use that function on this side. Center console finished in black lacquer trim, so check that out. You have your exhaust button right here. This function raises the car and lowers it. Your suspension is right here. Also have your center display surround view camera system, favorites, navigation map, radio, and all your media options. Now over here you have NFC charging, USB-C, 2 cup holders. Climate control systems are down here. And really appreciate the all MBUX wrapped on the upper dash. Carbon fiber inserts on the upper dash as well. You have 4 climate control vents, one on the other side, and then the other one is on the other side. Eco start stop features as well. Then you have these small knobs for your air control. Driver's perspective, I'm just gonna close the windows. Very good quality premium material inside the GLE. This is the perspective. I'm gonna do a more detailed review of this car, but this is just a preview of the GLE 53 Coupe. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for weekly Mercedes videos. Now I know a lot of you watch my videos. I'm gonna ask you guys to subscribe, hit the bell notification so you know when I post a new video just like this one on any new models dropping on this channel for Mercedes-Benz as well as Mercedes-AMG videos. So again, make sure you hit subscribe and hit the bell icon so you know when I drop a new video just like this one. We have it, boys. This is the 2021 GLE 53 4MATIC. Love those rims. Oh, it's actually going up.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. It's 4MATIC Plus Turbo too.
Yeah.
I can feel the lift right now. Check this out, guys. AMG GLE 53. It's got the dual chrome tailpipes, black. So the quad exhaust system on this car, circular tailpipes, chrome. Love rear view camera. Wow. Looks pretty neat. Let's see.
These are only the 21s, huh? Yeah.
Yeah, man, it looks. I love it.
Yeah, they have way better looking tires for the snow, huh?
This is all new. Look at the size of that grille, guys. Active distance distronic right here. chrome slats on this guy. Love the airflows right here. A-shaped front splitter, bunch sensors right here, AMG inscription and badging. It's got the two eyebrows on this headlamp, and these are multi-beam LED lights on this new GLE 53. Check that out, it's actually going down right now. I don't know if you can see that. Love these rims. Size on these tires is 275/45 R21. These are 21-inch rims. New Mercedes design AMG rims. Check out the air inlet on the side. So let's go for a quick drive on 2021 GLE 53 AMG. Going for a drive. I think they brought the ambient lighting outside. You can almost see it right here as opposed to inside. Driver Assistance Package Plus, which has a whole bunch of options. It will set you back $1,950, but in summary has the Active Distance Assist Distronic, which is at the front on the Mercedes emblem underneath. Also has the Active Steering Assist, Active Lane Change Assist, Active Emergency Stop Assist, Active Speed Limit Assist, Active Brake Assist with Cross Traffic Function, Evasive Steering Assist, Active Lane Keeping Assist, Active Blind Spot Assist, Pre-Safe and Pre-Safe Plus, Rear End Collision Protection, and also Impulse Side Route-Based Speed Adaptation, and Active Stop and Go Assist, as well as the Traffic Sign Assist. Tons of options on that Driver Assistance Package Plus. So if you want to get a GLE 53 Coupe, I think for almost $2,000 gives you a ton of options. It's pretty incredible.
Very accurate.
Look at that. That is near perfect. Actually, it's actually perfect.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. And each of these corners light up based on the sensors, right?
Yep. Once it turns red, it'll stop eventually. But you're supposed to do all the braking. It most of the time will stop the car, but there are conditions where it thinks that the driver has regained control and lets it go, and that's where most of the...
It's got autonomous driving as well, right? Right.
Semi-autonomous.
Yeah. It's got a ton of quick access options. Just out of the way.
Just the ease of driving is very nice.
And the entire LCD display is actually very flat. It's not even curved at all.
Much funner to drive to the 43s.
Sounds amazing. Right there.
Sounds different, huh?
Yeah, very different. It's not even struggling to take off. It just, and actually it glides into the speed. It doesn't throw you back. It just sort of carries you over.
48-volt battery system combined with the straight 6 really adds a new element as far as driving experience.
I can hear the real pops. Sure that this is off. Oh.
Yeah.
Man.
Launch control in the CLA 45, that thing hits so hard. Just thought the steering feels now.
Yeah, it's just.
Oh, you feel is awesome.
Yeah, it sounds. I think, like, you're right. The 45 kicks harder on launch than this one. This one sort of feels like it carries you over. It glides into the speed. It doesn't. It's not gonna make you feel in your heart like, you know, this is taking off. It's very so. The pops. Feel that.
If you did the resonator delete on this thing, it would be.
Wow, it feels incredible. And the suspension almost, again, it glides into it. It's not too hard, it's not too soft.
Yeah.
I guess comfort mode is really, really comfortable.
It's a bigger difference than in the previous generation. You would notice a change when you put it into sport mode, but it's more dramatic. It feels more like what you're asking to do.
Yeah. We should put it in the shade and do a quick review though.
And how smooth it is
It
on
feels-
the gears compared to sport mode is
I cannot tell the gear changes. There's no.
awesome.
It's. And what I love is that it shows you all the PSIs and all the tires individually. Well, I guess the rear one, rear ride is 40.
Placement is new. A lot of the new placement on this car really adds a nice set of features to it.
So it'll be perfect.